Hello, listeners. Welcome to the 21st Hindi Jane session of Arivalai podcast led by Bharati Educational Institutions. Today, in this sessions, we are going to see the swer and the vyanjan. Swer hai a, I, u, ru, e, I, o, au, ah. Vyanjan k, k, g, g, nga. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Tha, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pa, va, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Ksha, tra, nya, stra. For a small recap once again. A, I, u, ru, e, I, o, au, aha. Vyanjan k, k, g, g, nga. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Tha, tha, da, dha, na. Tha, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Ksha, tra, nya, sra. Now the words for the day are phal. Phal is the fruit in English and param in Tamil. Ba is bus. Bus is a bus in English and perundu in Tamil. Gar er gar. Gar is a house in English and veedu in Tamil. Ja ig jug. Jug is a picture in English and kuvalai in Tamil. Na ib nub. Nub is a sky in English and akasam in Tamil. The 5 spoken Hindi sentences for the day are Kasrat karo. Ka is ra et kasrat. Karo karo. Do exercise. Gar par chal. Ga er gar. Pa er par. Cha el chal. Go to your home. Ba is bus. Pa er par. Cha ed chad. Bus par chad. Climb the bus. Ba is baj. Ga ye gaye. Da is das. Baj gaye das. It's 10 o'clock. Ja et pa et. Jatpat. Upa va en upavan. Cha el chal. Jatpat upavan chal. Go to garden at once. Thanks for your patient listening. Now it's bye from Rajeshwari for Arivalai podcast led by Bharati Educational Institutions. Stay blessed.